And oh, that sounds so much better. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Inside the car, this thing sounds really good. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are coming at you guys live from the iPhone today because I cannot find the charger for my camera. So as you guys can see here, we got two boxes from ISR Performance that could only mean one thing. The full catback exhaust arrived for the Q. Finally, I've been waiting for this thing for like a week and a half. This thing was actually on back order. I got this thing like a week ago and it's finally here. You think that Z is jealous because the Q's getting love and she's not? Sheesh. Look at that cannon. So we ended up going with the ISR single exit GT exhaust, I think it's called. Look at this massive cannon, bro. Damn, that cannon is huge. So yeah, guys, we're back with a single exit on the Q. You guys might remember we had a Tomei last, but I wanted to change it up a little bit. The Tomei was honestly way too loud, and this exhaust seems to be a lot more like resonated and a lot better sounding too. So I'm very excited to hear how the car sounds.
The next day.
All right, guys, it is now the next day. Our boy Eric joined us. We are currently going to go to the shop to go ahead and fix the exhaust there and probably install the whole exhaust there as well. All right, guys, got the camera charged, got the car loaded. Let's go ahead and make this hour drive. Stopped supposed to be 85 at possibly the most ghettoest 85 station by my house. I missed the exit on the other one, so here we are. Bro, look at this musty ass pump. It's not even yellow anymore. Made it to the shop and there's this homeless guy and his 370Z. What's up, bro? I told you you can't park here.
I'm special.
We got this 370Z in the shop getting boosted, getting the E-Class special. Sick ass brides. They're clean. SBC's RPF1s.
Should be done by this week. Should be done next week. I think next week will be ready.
It's a mid-mount, right?
Yeah, this is ready.
Oh, you want to show off for the video or what? Let me see them welds.
Alright.
Hey, that's pretty fire. That is pretty fire.
Looks good, right?
Damn. You've came a long way, buddy.
I know. I should have welded your kid. I mean, I did weld your kid.
We're in the E-Class shop, Z.
Drives like stock.
It really does feel pretty good. We're gonna go grab some food.
Can't even tell. It's not even loud. Like ridiculously loud.
You can't even tell it has a tractor tire on it.
I mean, besides that, you can't tell.
Thank you, Adrian. Eat that burrito, baby. That is the loudest I've ever heard in my life. Alright guys, the exhaust is all fixed. Now time to throw this thing on. Like I said yesterday, this is the ISR single exit GT exhaust in the car. Look at that cute. I don't have the Tomei. ISR for the win. Damn, bro, look at, damn, son. This shit's long as hell. Anyways, that's how it's gonna look. Damn, son. It's fucking huge. This pipe looks pretty damn good. Way better than Adrian's weld. It's a real weld. Little sticker. Gaskets. The hero freaking body.
Just start from.
Stop. These components must be installed by a qualified personnel extremely familiar with aftermarket performance parts. That means Adrian can't install it. You can't install this. Here's the Wi-Fi. I apologize for the hair, by the way. My bad. Sick ass Q. You came back. Be back in 5 minutes.
2,000 years later.
Here's the white pipe. Pretty good quality. Shout out to my guys over at ISR Performance. Let's see how this thing sounds. Look at the new white pipe compared to the old white pipe. Trash. This thing right here that another muffler shop did would actually make my car vibrate so bad. That's the main reason why I got this white pipe. I don't even talk about that shop no more, to be honest. Let's look at the dual exit. See how it looks with the single. With exhaust. Little side quest. So some guy actually called this shop looking for E-Class, and they said that on Google they show as closed. And I looked E-Class tunes up on Google, and I guess it does have this address. So I'm gonna add some pictures to the little Google shit thing. I'm gonna take pictures of this fucking rocket right here and post them up. So now if you guys Google E-Class tunes, my car will pop up. I couldn't afford to pay the labor on the exhaust, so we're walking your asses home. We're about to go to the liquor store. This was thirsty, and honestly, I'm down to drink something, so go get something. So good news and bad news about the exhaust. It actually didn't fit, and I kind of already knew it because I think this white pipe is for the VR30s, for the VR30 Q50s and Q60s, and they did tell me that it might fit, it might not. It ended up being like probably like this much short, but no big deal. They're gonna cut it and add an extension to it. Thankfully, my good friend Brandon over here is quite the welder. Let me see them welds, boy.
Brandoni.
Let me see them welds, boy.
Hold on.
Alright.
Look alright. Don't look that bad. Look alright.
So the extension is done. All he has to do is weld it. Looks pretty good. It looks like it's supposed to look like that. Fire.
I'm gonna put like some fat booger welds everywhere, dude. And then I'm gonna blow a hole. And then I'm gonna like weld a wrench to it. So you know I did it. That'd be great.
That shit like your signature.
Sick, dog. E-Class style.
This judge's welds. They look pretty damn good if you ask me.
Oh, no one's asking you, buddy.
Alright guys, exhaust is on. Let's go ahead and hear how this thing sounds. Oh yeah, that sounds so much better. So much better. Sounds pretty good, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Sounds so much better than the Morphin. Can't wait to hear the flybys. I'm gonna tell probably gonna street tune it right now because I'm still on the base map, so I can't do any pulls. It looks so good though. The tip looks so fire. That looks so sick. So before we go and get like some little flybys or whatever, I do want to show you guys something that I like about this ISR right off the bat, way more than the Tomei. Besides the sound, for this main reason, you guys might remember how low my Tomei sat. That's the main reason why I sold it. This one actually has lots of clearance from the floor. So good. Very, very happy with my purchase. Thank you once again to my guys over at ISR Performance. So I was taking a picture and a thumbnail, and I noticed that I actually got to take this off before I take pictures of it. So I couldn't find a regular screwdriver, but I think this should do the job, right?
What are you doing, bro?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Taking off my license plate cover.
Why are you using a long screwdriver for?
You know what they say? The longer the screwdriver. Now, I really like how that single exit looks. A big cannon. It's just huge, bro. Look at it. Alright guys, so unfortunately we cannot do any pulls. We have to tune this car, and my tuner is right there, but I do have to swap a sensor first. Sick ass fool. So unfortunately we won't be doing any pulls today, but we're gonna rev it up for you guys a little bit and probably just do like a little, not a flyby, but like just like a little I guess, drive-by, if that makes sense. So you guys can get a little idea of how the exhaust sounds. And then later on, once we tune it, I'll do a full, complete breakdown on the exhaust. But for now, like I said, unfortunately, we can't do any pulls, so here are some revs for you guys. I'm not gonna lie, guys, inside the car, this thing sounds really good. So that was with the windows down. Put the windows up. Damn, we got a tacuache right here. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, this thing sounds really good. It's like a mixture of quiet yet loud, if that makes sense. And there's not really any drone, at least not yet, and there's not much rasp, so that's perfect. Literally what I was going for. Shout out once again to ISR Performance. I can't wait to actually tune this car very soon. All I gotta do is go buy a sensor. I could have done it right now, but he has something to do. Go buy a sensor, install it, and then we can tune it. And then we'll see how this thing sounds at wide open throttle. What do you think though, Eric?
I think it sounds good.
I think it sounds pretty good too, I'm not gonna lie. I think it exceeded my expectations for sure. But if there's any Q50 or even Q60 owners, whether it's a 3.7 or a 3.0 turbo, if you guys are interested in this setup, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below. Once again, shout out to my guys over at ISR Performance for hooking me up. So the white pipe won't fit on a 3.7 unless you do like a small little extension like I did, which is no big deal, to be honest. It's very simple, very straightforward. Other than that, the exhaust fit perfect. It fits 100 times better than the Tomei, bro. I cannot stress that enough. That's the main reason why I got rid of my Tomei. Besides it being so loud, it would almost scrape on anything. It was horrible, bro. Like that fitment, for some reason the Tomeis on the Q50s are horrible. They hang super low. And I'm not the only person. I've seen like multiple people deal with the exact same situation. So if you guys are looking for a single exit that has good fitment, sounds good, is honestly pretty cheap, to be honest, and it looks pretty good. I don't know why I really like the big Canon look on this car for some reason. I would definitely go with the ISR, no doubt. I strongly recommend them. Quick little side note, when my Z blew the motor, I was parked there for like 3 hours. Anyways, it sounds so good right here with these like enclosed walls or whatever. I really wish I could do a fat pull for you guys right now, but like I said, I can't. You smell that? That's that new exhaust smell. Yeah. For those of you guys that have ever bought a new exhaust, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I remember smelling this when I had my RSX. I got a skunk to exhaust. I remember I smelled that for the first time. Then with the Tomei too, it smells like a burning smell, I guess you could say. All right, I just want you guys to hear this. It honestly kind of reminds me of the Tomei, but better. So right now we're cruising at highway speeds, 80 miles an hour. The drone is there, but it's honestly not too bad. All right, guys, this is a real test. So with the Tommy I used to scrape going up my driveway, let's hope this one doesn't scrape. It shouldn't, but lit. We made it up. The list about a scrape though. Ouch. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I don't even think I updated you guys on that. I finally fixed the front end on this car. If you guys might remember, for those of you guys that watched that video, I hit a raccoon about a month ago and it messed up my lower grill, my lip, and I finally fixed it the other day. So the front end is finally complete. Let me show you guys really quick before I go inside. Completely forgot to show you guys or tell you guys that I fixed it. Lower grill's back on, lip is on. Car is looking pretty good if you ask me, and this thing is dusty. Haven't driven this thing. Like I said, nothing's wrong with it, just needs that. And yeah, I'm probably gonna drive it tomorrow though, because low-key I haven't been driving this and I don't like for E85 to be sitting for so long. I'll probably drive it tomorrow. Anyways, we're gonna go inside, start editing this video, and I'll close out the video tomorrow because I do want to give you guys a cold start with this new exhaust just so you guys can hear it. Like I said, unfortunately we weren't able to do pull, so I wasn't able to give the exhaust a full review like I wanted to, but once we tune it this next week, I'll definitely do that for you guys. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. All right guys, it is now the next day. As promised, I am going to give you guys a little cold start with a new exhaust, the first cold start. I'm very excited to see how this thing sounds on the startup, on the cold startup. It should sound pretty good. But first, I'm going to push it out the garage, probably to like the driveway area. All right, we successfully pushed it out the garage. Now, let's hear the startup. That sounds so much better than the Muffler Delete cold starts. I really can't wait until we tune this thing and I'm able to do some actual full throttle pulls, and I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to do that this video. But with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this car back inside. Probably take this one out today. I haven't driven it. Probably gonna give it a wash, drive it to the gym, and drive it around today. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys are all liking how the Q is sounding. I know I am. I'm very happy with my decision to go with ISR. Once again, if you guys are in the market for this exhaust, I'm gonna go ahead and link all the stuff down below. I have their single exit exhaust paired with their white pipe, so it's a full catback exhaust. But with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one.